Hello, hello, it's Marie from Just French It. Welcome in this new episode of Vendredi Vocabulary, in which we are gonna see together 5 French phrases to say to your lover. Ooh, what kind of topic is that? So let's dive in. Well, actually, no, let's not dive in just yet. I promise we will in a minute, but before I want to talk to you about the roadmap to fluent French, which is a step-by-step guide on how to learn French. It's free, you can download it on my blog, and it has helped over 800 learners so far. You could be helped by it too. So if you feel overwhelmed, if you don't really know how to start learning French, or if you are stuck in your learning, maybe it's a good time to check this out. Okay, this time we are really diving in with one of the, maybe, I don't know, is it the most romantic phrase you could say to someone? I don't know, I mean, there's a few of them. But this one is quite high on the list, and it is tu me manques. Tu me manques. Which, you know, in French is a bit special, because in English you say, I miss you. But here the subject is tu, which is you. So you are missing from me. This is what it means. You are missing from me. And the verb manquer in French is like that. Tu me manques. Je te manque. Il lui manque, etc., etc. But generally, if you want to say it to your lover, you have to say it like that. Tu me manques. Now, let's decompose the sounds together. Tu, me, man, que. Tu me manques. Tu me manques. Alright, okay, surely this one is the top of the top, the one that you say to your lover, right? I don't know. Well, actually, let's make this a game. Tell me which of the 5 sentences that we are going to see together you think is the most romantic. Let's do this one. Je t'aime. Je t'aime. It means I love you. I love you. Je t'aime. Now let's decompose the sounds. Je t'aime. Je t'aime. Je t'aime. Eh. It's the eh sound. Je t'aime. Good. Alright, next one. Very cheesy. Je suis fou de toi. Je suis fou de toi. It means I am crazy about you. If you're a girl, you need to say Je suis folle de toi. Je suis folle de toi. Folle being the feminine version of fou, you know, crazy. Let's decompose the sounds together. Je suis fou de toi. Je suis fou de toi. If you are a girl, je suis folle de toi. Je suis folle de toi. Okay, I admit it, I had a hard time finding 5 really romantic things to say to your lover that are not, you know, too cheesy. This one might be a bit too cheesy. It's the kind of stuff you would say and you add a date after, and you say, I fell in love with you in September. You know, it's kind of a fact. Je suis tombé amoureux de toi. Je suis tombé amoureux de toi. Or, if you're a girl, je suis tombée amoureuse de toi. Je suis tombée amoureuse de toi. I fell in love with you. So, let's say it together. Je suis tombée, and it's the same thing if it's for a girl. Even if you add an E at the end, the sound stays the same. The pronunciation is the same. Tombée, amoureux, or if you're a girl, amoureuse, amoureuse de toi. De toi. Je suis tombée amoureuse de toi. Last one, I promise. Tu me fais craquer. Tu me fais craquer. This one is not so cheesy, you know, it's kind of the thing you would say to someone if you are teasing them, you know. Or you making me, you know, in English you would actually say you are making me melt, but here it's you are making me crack. You know, it's kind of a bit more teasing, a bit more fun and upbeat kind of relationship, okay? Tu me fais craquer. Tu me fais craquer. Literally, it means you are making me crack. You are making me crack. Tu me fais craquer. Now let's say it together. Tu me fais craquer. 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 Tu me fais craquer. Tu me fais craquer. Alright, so which one of those 5 sentences do you find the most romantic, and which one would you actually say to your lover? So, let's recap. Tu me manques. Tu me manques. Je t'aime. Je t'aime. Je suis fou de toi. Or, if you're a girl, je suis folle de toi. Je suis tombée amoureux de toi. If you're a boy, je suis tombée amoureuse de toi. If you're a girl or a woman. Tu me fais craquer. Tu me fais craquer. I have to say, I really like the last one. It's kind of my style. I don't know. Okay, this was maybe too much information. I'm gonna end this video here. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. I promise it's not always about romantic stuff. Sometimes we actually are serious and all, you know. But if you like the content, subscribe to the channel and I'll see you next week on Just French It. À la prochaine.